In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate task creation in ClickUp. Native automations in ClickUp follow a simple idea. When this happens, then do this action. That means you can automatically create tasks or subtasks based on specific triggers and criteria, saving time and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Start by navigating to the exact place where you want the automation to apply. Go to the space, folder or list that makes sense for your workflow. Keep in mind, an automation set at one of these levels will affect all tasks within that level, so choose the scope intentionally to avoid unexpected results across your workspace. Once you're in the right location, open the Automations menu. Look to the upper right corner and click the Automate button, or the lightning bolt icon. This is your hub for building, viewing, and managing automations for that part of your workspace. Next, create a new automation. Click Create Automation. You can pick a pre-built template if you want something quick, use a suggested automation, or build a custom one from scratch for full control. Templates are great for common scenarios. Custom is best when you have specific requirements. Before we go further, if you're just getting started with ClickUp, there's a link at the top of the description to access the web app and download the desktop and mobile apps. Grab it there so you're using the latest version while you follow along. Now configure the trigger. In the When This Happens section, choose the event that should kick things off, such as status changes, assignee added, or task or subtask created. You can narrow this further with additional criteria, like only running when tasks are created from a particular source, such as forms or the API. The more specific the trigger, the more precise your automation will be. If your plan includes conditions, you can add them next. On the business plan and above, set conditions that must be true for the automation to run, like priority is high, or assignee is a specific person. This helps you filter out noise and focus the automation on the right tasks. Then, define the action. In the Then Do This Action section, select Create a Task or Create a Subtask. Provide the task name, choose the destination list if you're creating a task, and assign people, due dates, and other details. You can pull in dynamic fields from the trigger task to keep everything consistent and contextual. Finally, give your automation a clear name and optional description, then click Create to activate it. That's it. Your automation is live and ready to work for you. Thanks for watching.